Now we will present the Desert Storm. Again, the Desert Storm, we've been manufacturing this robot for the last 16 years. 99.9% of all our Desert Storms are still working today. The technology that we use to build the Desert Storm is a simple technology. It's easily repairable. All the components can be found all across the world. It is a bigger robot, more powerful, and it is used for ductworks that can be up to 3 feet by 3 feet, 3 feet wide by 3 feet high. The Desert Storm has many options. It has a tower, a turret that can turn 360 degrees continuously. With the 15 degrees up and 15 degrees down. Now, the other advantage of our robots too is that the camera here is completely sealed. It has a right in front of the camera, you have a window that prevents the dust going inside the camera box. So it's completely sealed, so there's no dust that can affect the camera inside of your robot, and it's easily cleanable because of the window that is right in front of your lens. So here we have the other advantage of our Desert Storm is that it has an arm in front that can go up and down that you control directly from your laptop. So now it's going down. You can use the system. You can use the system going up with the axial rotary brush, the horizontal brush, or the spraying system at the same time. Now it is to operate the pneumatic tools, you have a air hose that goes through the robot and connects right in back of the robot, as you may see right here. The robot is very heavy. Again, this is to maximize the traction when you are on inside a duct, and it's galvanized steel, and usually it is very slippery up to a certain extent. Then you need the ultra grip tracks with the weight that will make all the difference inside the ductwork. Now the Desert Storm, as I was explaining, is used for a bigger ductwork, so you can clean and use the brushes in bigger ductwork. The same thing with the spraying system. Now it will go from left to right. Everything is controlled from your laptop and your Xbox controller. So the robot is very powerful. I can put all my weight on, and it's going to still work very easily, smoothly. Now the robot comes with the same cable as the Wolverine. It's a very resistant cable. It is cut proof, and plus it is made so that if you pull on it, all the modem system inside the cable won't be affected by the pulling. Secondly is that all the tracks can be adjusted. As for if you want to tighten the tracks, you just have to turn here the tap screw, and it's the same in the other side. You have the same system on the other right in front here to be able to adjust your track on your robot. Now, as you may see, there's a few wheels here, plus there's weight. You can add some weight here and on the back. If ever you're using heavier tools, you can add some weight on this side, so you keep a good balance in your robot. Since it's a wider and longer robot, then you can use heavier tools in front. So the connection, as I was saying, if the connection is right in the back here to operate all your pneumatic tools. This demonstration is to show you how the Desert Storm, how powerful the Desert Storm is to be able to pull with its own weight, pull a weight that is 40 pounds on a concrete slab. And it could pull very easily up to 140 pounds. And again, the robot is excessively powerful and now that's very sturdy. The Desert Storm, we control the Desert Storm with the laptop, which has all the same functionality as the Wolverine. Now, to operate the Desert Storm, you can use the Xbox controller or you can use the laptop. Now, since the Desert Storm has an up and down system that you can control from your controller or the laptop and has a tower that turns 360 degrees left and right, then you do have more options on your laptop and your controller. So let's start, for example, for the up and down for the tools. Using your laptop here, and otherwise here's so all the page up, page down, and after that, if you're going left, the cursor on your left side, right, forward, backward. This is directly from your laptop. Now, as for the tower, 15 degrees up, 15 degrees down, and 360 degrees, left and right. Then from the control now, you can have the same, do the same with the controller, Xbox controller. So forward, backward, left, right, up and down for the arm, tower on your with your right joystick, up, down, and it all follows the same direction as your joystick, right, left, up, down. Now you will to go as for the light intensity, higher red, lower yellow, green. And all the indication, whatever function you are using with the controller or with the laptop appears on your screen. Plus, if ever you, whenever you want to record your work, then you just put the cursor right next to your laptop, click, and it'll start taping, recording the image. If not, you can just take a simple image, or otherwise at the same time you can comment, because there's a microphone, integrated microphone on your laptop that will permit you to do all the right comments, so that when you are doing the work, all the necessary details are explained. With this, then all is quick and plug. Quick plug in the sense that everything is attached very quickly, simply on your robot. All the robot can work can work on 220 volt, 110, 120 volt, 15 hertz or 16 hertz. All the camera is colors, then your screen is all color. And you can, if you want, you can add some editing program to be able to use the robot and do the necessary editing of your videos.